Hello, and welcome to Time's Ticking Watch Talk. Today we're going to be talking about the history of Vestal. Vestal watches are watches that fine-tune style and expression for the musically inspired individual. They were established in 1997 by David Boaventura in Newport Beach, California. Vestal is marketed and branded through friends, musicians, artists, and athletes who are immersed within music culture. On September 23, 2002, Vestal officially registered the Vestal wordmark. In 2004, Vestal opened an international headquarters in Biarritz, France. That same year, Vestal Group Inc. was incorporated to make watches for other brands, including Paul Frank, Vans, and singer Gwen Stefani's Lamb, and Harajuku Lovers. In 2007, Vestal won the Breakthrough Brand of the Year award by the Surf Industry Manufacturers Association. And in 2008, Vestal was nominated for Men's Marketing Campaign of the Year. On August 22, 2008, Vestal International Inc. was incorporated. On August 31, 2008, Vestal Watch Inc.'s assets were sold to Vestal International Inc. Vestal International Inc. is owned and operated by its employees, Johnny Garris, Marty Kish, and Derek Boucher. In 2010, Vestal launched Vestal Vision, a line of eyewear. Vestal also released a radio iPhone application called Vestal Radio. This free application streams vestalradio.com live to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, broadcasting the latest music from Vestal featured artists as well as other brands, musicians, and DJs from around the world. Also airing on Vestal Radio are exclusive interviews, guest DJ sets, and mixtape shows.
Hey, thanks for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and provided some value for you. If you want to get in touch with us, you can connect with us through our Facebook page, which is linked below. Go ahead and check us out there. If you need help with your watch, go to our Time's Ticking website, which is also linked below. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly uploading new videos with fresh and interesting content. See you next time.